right here is a homemade trebuchet made with nothing but #2 pencils and rubber bands. Is it perfect? Not even close. Look how wobbly it is. What I really need to do is do some cross bracing and X patterns on every single side. Honestly, that would make it a lot more stable. It works fine otherwise. So this is a lot of fun to make this video. I love little DIY projects where you can build anything out of just home supplies. So look at that wobble though. It'd definitely be more stable if we used a different way to tie down all the pencils, but also cross bracing as well. This will still suffice if you want to build a very quick and dirty trebuchet. So the last scene, you saw that something blew up when I launched it. That was a little tiny great value nightlight bulb, one of the white ones from Walmart, really cheapy one, and it blew up. I was trying so hard not to burst out laughing, and the sound of glass shattering is hilarious to me for some reason, but I cleaned up the mess and we're good to go.